Hello, my name is Jason Kumagai, and I am a human factors specialist in the patient safety department. As you know, continuous masking is required in all patient care areas and in any area where a minimum of 6 feet or 2 meters cannot be maintained at all times. This applies to all AHS facilities in all zones of AHS. The use of masks over a long period of time may put pressure on the back of your ears and cause discomfort. Because of this, many Alberta Health Services personnel have employed mask extenders or ear savers to help relieve that contact pressure on their ears. The AHS PPE Task Force has conducted a review of their use and usability. This involved a survey as well as a hands-on review with healthcare workers. This video will provide some tips if you are using or considering the use of mask extenders. There are several different styles of mask extenders, and new styles are being developed seemingly every day. A common mask extender here at Alberta Health Services are the ones that have been 3D printed. In many cases, these have been generously donated by co-workers or the community, and we thank them for their support. A drawback of the 3D printed versions is that they can be a bit more rigid than the other versions. Parts can break off, or the plastic can actually scratch your skin. The multi-hooks have also been found to get tangled in your hair or on the mask straps, and this in turn can lead to self-contamination. There are commercial off-the-shelf versions like this Warrior clip or this multi-hook version. These are made of injected plastic, so they are flexible and soft, and they may be a bit more comfortable. If you are purchasing a mask extender, be sure it will be long enough to reach the mask straps without putting too much pressure on the mask, or short enough to provide a good mask fit. Consider the circumference of your head and if the mask extender will provide enough length to go over your hair as well as any head covering you may use. Some of you may have also tried headbands with buttons or scrub caps with buttons. These have the benefit of staying on your head when you don and doff your mask. These also help to keep your hair from getting tangled. However, you'll have to make sure you get a good fit with the scrub cap, and also note that these can be a bit hot for some users. There are a few types of mask extenders that you should avoid. These include the knitted style with buttons, as well as any styles that are made of foam. These are a bit more difficult to clean, which means the virus may remain on the surface, and this can increase the chances of self-contamination. We've also heard of people who are using paper clips, bag clips, or even plain pieces like barrel of monkey pieces. While these demonstrate the innovative minds of our healthcare workers, they should be avoided as there are better, more secure options available. A major consideration when using mask extenders is to ensure you don and doff your mask extender properly to avoid self-contamination. Properly wash your hands both before you don and before you doff your mask extender with your mask. One tip is to put your mask around your ears first to ensure a good mask fit. Once your mask is in place, add the mask extender. Try to find an angle that does not pull the mask too far down or too far up. When removing your mask and your mask extender, be sure you do not touch your face. Disinfect or clean your mask extender right after taking off your mask. If there are any ridges or engraved areas, be sure that they are cleaned. If it is not possible, then you should discard the mask extender and use a clean new mask extender when putting on a new mask. Ear savers must not be used with the N95 respirators, as it may impact the fit and seal of the mask. We hope this video has helped to give you some information about the use of mask extenders. Remember, my mask protects you, and your mask protects me. Stay safe.
Together, we do amazing things every day.